Hi, good morning students. You are going to learn very easy, very simple chapter addition. First, you are going to learn about properties of addition. Okay? Addition, you know very well. Even you learned this addition from LKG onwards. Okay? When you have learned first single digit, double digits, now you are learning 4 digits. Okay? 4 digits of addition. Okay, before that we must know what are the properties of addition. Okay, properties means the characters, the rules what we are going to follow. Okay, just simple addition means you just count the numbers, how many it is and write. But it has particular property. So you are going to learn about 3 important properties of addition. The first one is order property. Okay, and then the second one is grouping property, and the third one is additive property for 0. Okay, so we are going to learn something detail about these properties. Order property means when you change the order of the addends. Addends means, you know, for example 2 plus 3. Just I have written simple addition 2 plus 3. So these numbers are called addends, the numbers which we are going to add. Okay, these numbers are called addends. Okay, when you add this one and you get sum or total, this is called sum or total. This is called sum or total. Okay, and these are called addends. These are called addends. So these are called addends. Okay. So now when you change the place of these numbers, order of these numbers, order of these addends, the sum is not changed. Okay. The sum is not going to change when you change the order of the numbers. For example, you see 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. If you change the numbers, if you change the order of the numbers or if you change the place of the numbers, the sum is not going to change. This is called order property. Very simple, no? This is already you know, but you are going to learn now rules wise. That's all. Okay. The next one is grouping property. Grouping property, when you play, you make the group and play, isn't it so? The same thing, grouping property means when you have 2 or more numbers, 3 or 4 numbers, when you have, for example, if you have 3 plus 4 plus 5, you have 3 numbers. Okay. So in this, first you can add 3 plus 4, then you can add 5. Otherwise, you can add 4 plus 5 first, then you can add 3. You can make the group like this. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5? 12. 7 plus 5? 12. The same thing see here. 3 plus here 4 plus 5? 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So if you change the group, the answer is same. The sum is same. The sum is not going to change. Okay. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, you are adding, after that you are adding 5, then you are getting 12 here. But here 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Okay, you are adding this number first, then you are adding 3. Then also you are getting 12. This is called the grouping property. You can first take these 2 numbers and make the group. Otherwise, you can take these 2 numbers also. But when you add all together, you will get the sum same. This is called grouping property. Okay. The next, additive property for 0. Additive property of 0 is very simple. When you add any number with a 0, what happens? the same number comes. This already you know. For example, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So any number you take, add with 0, then you get the answer same number. This is called additive property of 0. Okay. So have you understood all three properties? Order property. When you change the place of the number, order of the numbers, it doesn't change the sum. Sum is same. Okay. Then grouping property is when you change the group, the way you make the group, when you change this one, first two numbers you take, otherwise you take last two numbers, anything you change the group, then when you add it all together, you get the sum same. Okay. Then additive property of 0. This is whenever you add any number, you take any number and add with 0 and you get that the sum is the same number. Okay. Addend is the sum. So, okay, you know 0 means nothing. It has no value when it comes alone. So if you add with 0, then the answer is same. So we are going to do, in the next video, we are going to use these properties and do the calculation. Okay. Thank you for watching.